Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and you are watching the first part of a FreeCAD video course where I will guide you through creation of a simple structural project in FreeCAD BIM, where we will create this project, and I will also show you how to create sheets with drawings, so 2 floor plan levels, and also a section view of our simple structural project. In the last part, I will also show you how to export this model into IFC file format and how to create PDF that is ready for print from our FreeCAD file. This is an intermediate course, so I expect you to have some basic understanding of the draft workbench, like snapping and creating lines, and also some basic understanding of the BIM workbench, so you have at least made a few walls with doors, etc. It should be possible to follow even for complete beginners, but I recommend you to follow first some beginner courses before you follow this intermediate course. The course is divided into 9 parts. Currently you are watching the first one, the introduction. In the second part, I will go through the basic FreeCAD setup for BIM work. In the third part, I will show you how to set up the BIM project, how to create grids and set up levels. In the fourth part, I will show you how to create the 3D model of our structural project. In the next part, I will show you how to create a 2D floor plan drawing of the first level of this project. In the next part, I will demonstrate how to create a sheet with a title page and place the floor plan drawing on that page. In the seventh part, I will show you how to create floor plan of the second level. In the eighth part, we will create a section drawing. And in the ninth part, we will export the model to IFC and print these sheets that we created into PDF. And I will also provide some final thoughts about the project. It's important to note that I will be using FreeCAD 1.1 in this course. So if you are following with later versions, some tools may work in a bit of a different way, but the main concepts should still be valid even for later versions. And I'm also providing a course materials for free. You can get it from the FCB Lounge Ko-Fi shop. The link is in the description box below. And this course material provides you with the finished FreeCAD project, with the finished PDF export, also with the annotation style preset that we'll be using during this course, and also a TechDraw page template with a title block that we will use during this course. Okay, so this is all you need to know for the introduction of the FreeCAD BIM structural project course. And now let's get into second part in the basic setup of FreeCAD for BIM work.